Today's topic is playing with numbers exercise 3.7. Eighth question is find the least number which when divided by 6, 15 and 18 leave remainder 5 in each case. We have to find LCM for this 3 number. So our LCM is 90. Therefore, the required number is 90 plus 5 is equal to 95. Ninth question is find the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 18, 24 and 32. Now we have to find for this 3 numbers LCM. LCM is 288. Now 4-digit small number is 1000. When we divide 1000 by 288, 3 times we are getting 864. Therefore, remainder is 136. Fourth time when we try, 4 into 288 is equal to 1152. 10th question is find the LCM of the following numbers. They have given 4 questions. I will do first 2, you do next 2. Then first one they have given 9 and 4. 9 and 4 no common factors. So we can multiply directly also. 9 4s are 36. This is what your LCM. Or previous sums and all we did like LCM factor method. So we have to do like that also. 9, 4 we should write. 9 will not go by second table. 4 will go by 2 2s are 4. Again 2 will go in second table 1 time. Then 9 will go in third table 3 times. Then 3 will go 3 table 1 time. Like that we have to take the factors and multiply 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 2s are 4. This 3 3s are 9. Then 9 4s are 36 also we can write. In B sum they have given 12 and 5. Here also 12 and 5 we don't have common factors. So directly also we can multiply. 12 5s are 60. Or we can do like prime factorization method. Write the 2 numbers. 12 will go in second table 6 times. Again 6 will go in second table 3 times. 3 will go in third table 1 time. Again 5 can go in fifth table 1 time. So we have to take that all the numbers 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 2 2s are 4, 3 5s are 15. Again 15 into 4, 60. So our LCM is 60. 11th question is find LCM of the following numbers in which one number is the factor of the other. They have given 4 questions. First 2 I am doing. Next 2 you should do your homework. What do you observe in the result obtained they given? First one 5 and 20 they given. 1 5s are 5. 4 5s are 20. So in both also 5 is common. First we can take 20 in second table 10 times. Again 10 will go in second table 5 times. Now 5 5 is common. So 1 time in fifth table it will go. So all these 3 factors, that is 2 into 2 into 5, when we multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So when we have 5 and 20 as a question, 5 is the common number of 20. So we have the LCM is the highest number of 20. B question is 6 and 18. Find LCM. 6 is the common factor for both. 1 6 are 6, 2 6 are 18. So when we have like this common, which is the highest number in this? 18. So of course 18 is our LCM. And prime factor method if we do also 6 comma 18 we should write. Both number will go in second table. 3 2s are 6. 9 2s are 18. Again this both will go in third table. 1 3s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Again this 3 we can divide as one time. Now 2 into 3 into 3 when we multiply, 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. So 18 is our LCM.